Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Pluxee Card in Zomato application. So the first step that you have to do is you have just to make sure that your Pluxee Card is activated. So you have to make sure of that one. Once your Pluxee Card is activated, you can go ahead and order food in your Zomato application. So you just have to log into your Zomato, and from here you can choose any food or non-alcoholic beverages. And once you have picked your orders, you just go ahead and click on your cart from here at the bottom. And once you click on that one, you will see here your total and all the food that you have ordered or placed on your cart. Now at the checkout, you just have to you just have to click on this Ploxxy. So just add Ploxxy or Sodexo, and then just click on this add button at the right side. So once you tap on that one, you just have to provide all the card details like the card number, the CVV, the expiry, and all that. And you may need to provide also the OTP or the PIN, and you just have to complete the transaction, and that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!